Alright, here we are on the way to Provo River, Lower Provo River. Here's the beginning of our trip.
Walk right up to the waterfall.
What do you think, D?
That is gorgeous,
I climbed up to the top
What are you doing up here, babe? Huh? Organizing all the lures, all the spinners we're going to be using on the Provo River. Right up there, so we're going to fish in this little spot right here, Lower Provo River, below Olmsted Diversion Dam. Alright, so apparently my buddy Derek caught a brown trout, his first brown trout ever, and we're on the Provo River, and I went to go pick up the truck to pick these guys up, and I just got a phone call from my wife saying he caught one. So I'm on my way down to him right now. What scared you? You just felt the bite or what?
I felt the bite, and then right off the back, you know, I put my island game on, and I caught it.
Hell yeah.
Let me show you where it is.
Alright, let's see this island game. Hell yeah. Yeah, I was walking back to the truck and I got that phone call. I didn't believe her. Woo! Yeah, buddy. Take it out and hold that. Let me get a pic. Okay, so I failed to let you guys know, not only is this his first brown trout, first time being at the Provo River, first time ever catching it on a spinner, using a spinner. Green Chartreuse We're gonna try one more spot. So it's not over yet, but we're done with the spot we were fishing. Beautiful. Alright, here we are, the end of our trip. Going home. It's 8:20. Had a good day.
So yes, sir.
So, till next time.